How to buy a product on Etsy. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy any product on Etsy easily and fast. So simple and easy. Just go to etsy.com and log into your account or create one, and then choose the product that you want to buy. For example, let's say that I want to buy this watch right here. Now click on the product and go here, right here, click on buy it now, and for example choose first those informations and click buy it now, or you can add, for example, here, click buy it now and choose your payment method. For example, you can pay with credit card or with your PayPal. Now I'm gonna choose, for example, credit card and click proceed to checkout. Now all what you have to do is fill your shipping address and click continue to payment, and then you will be able to fill your payment method informations. After you finish, all what you have to do then is just wait until the product gets into your address. It's so easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.